I'm bold as I don't even got a whiff for this shit.
Alright, go ahead, say it out loud then if you cut it like that. If you cut like that.
I'm gonna need y'all niggas to get the fuck out cause she finna sit on my face. Alright.
Ooh. 3, 2, 1, boom.
Oh, she look good, fuck.
YouTube, it's your boy Livas, and I'm back with another blind date. Feel me? I got my other hoes with me. Go ahead and shout yourself out.
Jari, by the way, you know.
Yep.
Remember
Hey,
the name, remember the face.
yeah, we got another blind date, man. We keep coming out with blind dates, so all y'all gotta do is hit the subscribe button, man. Subscribe to both our channels. Link is gonna be in the description.
Make sure y'all follow that Patreon. Subscribe to that Patreon.
No
you know
cap.
What I'm saying?
All that. But look, we finna get straight into the blind date, man.
I'm Janae.
Okay.
Y'all know Turn-ons, your boy TSG Munchie in this.
Yep. Y'all got any Instagrams or anything?
No.
Oh, see, I'm not
No,
no
you
IG.
ain't got IG. You can follow me on Instagram at moneyboyj_065 and Facebook at TSG Munchie. What was y'all longest relationship?
How long was y'all longest relationship?
2 years.
Yeah.
2 years.
4 years.
Damn! Oh!
I ain't gonna lie.
I stop cussing YouTube. Yeah.
4 years. Why y'all break up? I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna kill that bitch.
My God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Oh my God, stop cursing.
Yeah,
He sent me a video of him for another.
Oh my
God.
Yeah.
Why y'all was in a relationship?
Funny, but
Well, we was on a break, but you know how that shit be. We was being toxic.
Toxic.
Okay.
oh wow.
Yeah, that's crazy. And how y'all break up? Cause you just said you was gonna kill her. You didn't even say how.
My homie told me she fucked
Yeah.
on our 4-year anniversary.
Hold on, you said your homie told
Yeah,
you.
she fucked my homie, and
That's still your homie?
That's tough.
Don't ask me no dumbass question like that
Okay.
on camera, fuck.
He's about on camera. Okay. What's one turn on? What's one turn off in a person?
Yeah.
Tattoos is a turn on.
Okay.
Double texting is a turn off.
Double texting turn
So
on.
you don't like
Yeah.
clingy.
No, I like clingy, but if you gonna be with me, you gonna be with me. You don't need to text, but I don't like being away from
So
my
you're ready
mother.
for for him to call you
Yeah, instead of texting and doing on my fucking phone.
and to turn off?
A turn off for me is like being overly clingy. For like one thing about me, you could like
See her face.
like on my brother Gray. If I'm lying on that, you can. If you in my presence, you could be in my skin, but don't be overdoing your shit for like. Cause at the end of the day, don't go through my phone. I don't do that shit.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
that's one of my turn-offs. Don't go through my phone. Shit, I trust you enough to not go through your. Alright, cool, boom.
Okay.
And my biggest turn-on, it ain't even about like sexually. Just your personality, your smile, your hygiene, tattoos.
Okay.
I gotta see where your head at on some real shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
I fuck with that answer.
Alright, so y'all kinda answer that, but what's y'all type? It seems like she always going first, so you go first.
You go
what's your
first this
type?
time.
I mean, I don't really got a type for real, but I don't like. I love a short, petite, little slim, thick female.
Okay, you feel like you slim thick?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, see, that's your type. Alright, what's your type?
Tall,
Okay.
dreads,
Okay.
dark skin or brown skin, don't matter.
You feel like you fit that
But no white
description?
skin.
Huh?
Done.
Okay, hey, I'm just asking y'all. Hey, it's y'all blind date. I'm just asking.
He's really 5'4", but we ain't gonna talk about that. Alright,
Five for my ass.
Think about. Okay. Have y'all ever had a one night stand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
WIU.
Oh. Damn. First night?
Who, me?
I'm talking about him.
If you know, you know.
Okay. Do y'all believe in one night stand though? Like,
I mean, yeah, I do, but at the same time, like, if her coochie good, nah, we locked in. It's Death Row Boogie on my soul. But nah, though, I done had a couple of one night stands before.
Okay. Do you believe in one night stands?
Yeah, only have one though.
Okay. Would y'all rather give or receive? I'll answer that once now.
What you mean?
Like in sexually, like give head or
Give.
receive?
Oh,
head?
I'm a pleaser. I give.
Okay.
I do
You
both.
like that?
I do both.
You do both.
You do
I
both.
give and I receive.
I'm saying like which one you
Which
like
one?
more?
That's
though?
what I'm saying.
God ain't blessed me with these big ass lips for no reason.
Ooh.
Hey.
Hey.
So
okay.
new.
Hey, that mean he like, you feel me?
You feel me? You
Like
like
I
eating.
like, I like to please my bitch. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Next question. What's your favorite position?
Yeah. Go.
Missionary with her legs on my shoulders while she looking me dead in my eyes with my hand on her throat.
Shit.
Okay.
Mm.
You
Go
like
ahead.
Yeah, I like riding though.
that? Ooh.
I like that shit too.
Okay.
Hand on her throat. One hand on throat, another hand on teeth. Cool.
Yeah, I like to be in control though. Like, you know.
You ain't the choking type. Those bitches, they like choking niggas right.
No, I don't like that.
I'm just asking the question.
You want to go first?
She go first.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me what you want to feel, what you want to feel me. Everywhere. Do you?
Okay.
Okay.
That's all.
What would you rate that 1 through 10?
At 8.5.
8.5.
Okay, why you say 8.5?
Because I did.
Okay,
okay,
damn,
okay.
my bad. Go ahead, my boy, your turn.
Hold on, first thing first.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure y'all ain't doing no prank on me for my God.
Bro, this is a girl, bro.
Oh, she got little thighs.
Yeah.
Her hands soft. Alright, cool.
Okay, what you rate that 1 through 10 though?
I give it a 9.
Ooh.
9. Okay,
Okay.
so
You like what you feel.
Yeah, you like what you feel for sure.
all right, so you know
Both
how
of y'all
this
look
go.
towards the windows.
Look towards the window.
You can take your blindfold off, get your eyelash together.
There's light.
That's
It's
there,
bright.
right.
That's
here.
Get y'all stuff together. Let me know when y'all ready.
I'm ready. I think.
I'm waiting on my boy. Then.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Alright. We gonna have y'all look at each other in 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Oh, she look good, fuck.
You tell her that.
Thank you.
Oh, and she a bright face on the God.
Okay. So once y'all rate each other 1 to 10, now that y'all got the blindfolds off.
This is like bright as fuck.
Yeah, like it is bright.
Here, 9.5.
Ooh, my. Hey, she
Okay.
gave 9.5.
He ain't got enough energy. I don't think. He ain't
Oh,
got
yeah,
enough energy, man.
he ain't got no energy for real. You gotta turn me up.
Right.
Shorty a 10. What you
Okay,
doing after
10.
this?
Ooh.
Okay.
What you doing out there?
I'm finna get drunk with my cousin.
2 minutes to talk. I want 2 minutes to talk.
I want 2
Shit,
minutes to talk.
Yeah.
whatever.
Alright, then
All
we
right,
gonna
so
get out.
we gonna get y'all exactly.
My name is Janae.
My name Jeremiah,
Jeremiah.
but my nickname Munch.
Munchie. That's
Where you from?
Chicago. I just
side?
stay downtown.
You stay downtown. Oh, you close to me. How old you is?
I'm 19.
You a baby.
How old is you?
I'm 22.
I fuck with that.
So tell me about yourself.
I'm in school right now, medical school.
Want to be a nurse?
Yeah, I do CNA right now though.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What you like to do for fun?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Go outside.
Like parties, clubs?
Yeah, clubs, bar hopping, shit like that.
Type shit. That's what's up though. I ain't gonna let it.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
My God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Pink.
Oh my god.
What?
Don't get me wrong. I wear pink, but that shit ugly.
I mean, it ain't ugly on me.
I gotta see you in pink then.
Yeah, you probably do.
You can ask me some questions too then.
What you like to do?
YouTube, make music, travel.
You rap?
Mm-hmm.
I can hear some.
You want to hear you right now?
Yeah. That's a problem.
Nah.
Mm.
If I pop him, I gotta pop you because you with the ops, then you a op too. Got a Glock, well, I got a Glock too. Matter of fact, a little nigga got too. I be riding around with a strap too. Trust none, gotta watch my back too. Don't run up on me like you know me. We'll leave a nigga with a gap too. Said he was gonna smoke Lil J the next day, the little nigga died. His guys love cracking the trash, just wonder when they gonna slide. In the streets, I play smart, I catch you slipping while you getting fried. Drive back a car that you riding and pull it to the side, look you in your eyes. Getting caught outside, so my 30 tuck. If you diss the wise, then you out of luck. Say you want beef, we gonna light you up. That 9 shells leave a nigga body shook.
Okay, you okay? You decent or whatever. So you trying to be a rapper or like
No,
you trying to do other shit?
I don't just make music. I do YouTube. I'm a party promoter. I invest my money in stocks. Yeah.
Okay. What high school you went to?
I went to Simeon my freshman year. I'm buzzing my sophomore year, Peace and Education my junior year, and then YCLA my senior year.
You was bad as fuck.
Sadly.
Okay.
What about you?
I stayed at one high school, Epic Academy.
You went to Epic? I went to, before that was called Epic, I went to that school.
What it was called before that?
It was an elementary school called Neo's Heroes.
It was. And they transferred it across the street.
I went to both branches.
Okay.
Yeah.
As you should. Why you didn't come to Epic?
Boy, fuck Epic. On the guys, we being honest, fuck that school. I'm not from over east, I'm an outside baby.
Boy,
What's your son?
I'm a Leo. No, what's wrong with Leos?
Wait, July, Leo, or August?
July
July what?
31st.
Oh, hell no. Hey, you think you gonna be able to put up with me?
When your birthday?
My birthday's 12 days before yours. I'm a Cancer.
Hell motherfucking no. Hell no. I can't do no more cancers.
What's wrong with you?
Y'all do too much and I don't know, y'all weird as fuck.
2 minutes, man. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
You feel me?
That was a long ass 2 minutes.
Yeah, y'all 2 minutes, long at 2 minutes. But y'all feeling each other so far?
Y'all fuck with that?
Yeah, it's just, we both got one red flag apiece.
What's that?
He's a Cancer.
And she a Leo.
What's wrong with cancer?
wrong
Hold on.
with Leo? I'm a Leo.
Hold on. What's wrong with cancer, bro?
Hold on,
First of all, I'm
What's wrong with cancer? Come on, tell them. Hold on.
I'm for now.
I can't do them.
What's wrong with cancer?
Leos.
Wait,
No.
you an August Leo
No,
or
she
July?
a Leo.
Leo.
When your birthday?
July 29th.
That's why.
Wait, that's why.
You cool. You a cool Leo. It's just female.
Mine's July 31st.
So why you don't like cancer though?
Right.
She must deal with the cancer. But look, he don't got nothing to do with the cancer you
That's
dealt
what I'm
with.
saying.
You feel me?
He ain't got nothing to do with the cancer
That you dealt with.
Okay.
I'm nothing like them other niggas you done fucked with that were cancers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Facts. Alright, man. So y'all ready to do the dance?
Come on, let's do them.
Y'all get one truth, so
One
use y'all
truth.
truth wisely. Paper, scissors. Whoever lose, go first, right?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you go first. Alright, so Nate, truth or dare?
There.
Ooh. You want to give it to her first or you want to start off light?
Go ahead, start off light.
If they either whisper something right now in his ear that you'll do to him. Whisper something in his ear that we can't hear, nobody can hear, but just whisper in his ear.
My hair a little nappy, but hold on. Go ahead.
You gonna call me, hold on. Yeah.
Go ahead.
What she trying to think? She trying to give us some time to think. Bad's reaction at the camera. We go. You feel me?
We gonna see.
Okay.
Oh wow.
You like what you heard, my boy?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, his react. Hey, he like what he heard. All right, should we make him do the same thing or no?
I'm bold as fuck.
Say it out loud, then. If
Same
you
thing.
cut it like that. If you cut like that.
I'm gonna need y'all to cut cause she finna sit on my face. Alright?
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit. So like, do
we like get out?
we gotta at least like finish the day. Dude. Calm
Like,
down.
is we
my
gonna
boy.
get out? She
Go
gonna.
ahead. Go ahead. Whoa.
Girl, hold on.
Go ahead.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's her turn, right?
No, it's his turn.
He just did it.
No, that wasn't his done.
Truth or dare then?
Use your one true wisely.
Dare?
Yeah.
I dare you. Come on, Cam. I dare you to suck on her neck for 10 seconds. I ain't gonna count though. You gotta count in your head.
Okay. Damn, he adjusted up. Okay. Okay. What you rate that 1 through 10?
That was a 10.
Damn! Okay, you got a 10. You got a 10, okay.
10.
Y'all finna make me do the same thing.
Yep, go ahead.
Alright, go ahead.
You wanted to anyways because you brought
That's
it
what I'm
up.
saying.
No, because y'all was doing that.
Nah, go
Nah, we was
ahead.
gonna give you a different one, but go ahead. Oh my god.
You have to oh, okay. You doing multiple dads at once. So. Okay,
Broke my skill.
Ooh!
He liking what he feel. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Hey, I'm gonna need you to grab that again, my brother. Like,
Know what I'm
I
saying?
feel like you grabbed it, but I don't feel like you grabbed it right. You
Yeah.
feel me? So
I
go
don't feel
ahead.
like you grabbed it
Wait,
right.
what?
I don't feel like
Dominant
I don't
hand
feel
or
like you
non-dominant hand?
grabbed
Dominant
right.
hand, both
Oh,
hand, whatever.
Come on.
Turn me up. Make sure they see.
Yeah.
Y'all-
Make sure you get. You feel
Yeah.
me?
Oh.
Damn.
Oh. Okay, what'd you rate
She too
that?
goofy, bro.
It's,
you rate that?
it's a 9.5.
9.5. 9.5.
I'm talking about him. What would you rate that?
Her shit is soft. That's a 10.
Alright, look. To end this video off, I'm gonna need y'all to leave y'all mark. Like, do whatever y'all want to do or say what y'all want to say to end this video off, man. Turn me up. Feel me? The camera finna die, so y'all just gotta leave y'all mark. And see, like, let a motherfucker know, like, who you is. Like, they make them remember you when y'all leave today.
Man, y'all know what the fuck going on. It's your boy TSG Munchie. Y'all can follow me on Instagram at moneyboyj_065 and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It's Janae. That's all.
Now,
I don't
put my
think
number in
y'all-
your phone?
I don't think y'all understand what the fuck
what
we
I
just
said.
said.
I said leave
Leave y'all
mark.
mark, not
leave
shout
y'all
y'all Instagram, bro.
I didn't.
Oh
my God.
Don't leave your mark. Make her remember you. Make her remember you, man.
man, it's your boy Jerry.
Yeah. It's your boy Love Ass. Hey,
Alright.
y'all think this was W blind date?
Yeah, if y'all think this was a W blind date, comment down below
Yeah.
a W. That's all. Subscribe to both our channels, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to our Patreon. Turn on
Yeah.
our post notifications. Follow them. I don't think she put her stuff up enough.
She don't got no